Hello friends, today we're going to see what is the thermodynamics, the basic introduction of the branch of thermodynamics. We are using as a subject as in pure science and is in engineering. Though in specifically in mechanical engineering we apply some basic rules of thermodynamics into the practical models, and we creates the engine and all other stuffs. But let's see, we take the introduction what it is the thermodynamics. So thermodynamics, the words which is came from the Greek words, two Greek words, that is the thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat and the dynamics means power. So it is the science of heat, power and work. In some cases, the heat converted into the power and work, and power or work can be converted into the heat, or both, or vice versa. So it is the basically science which is dealing with the heat, power and work. Okay, so in this case we basically concern with the change of energy. What is the change of energy? Because you will never find the absolute value of energy that any object possesses. You will never able to find, but you can find the change of energy. That is the change of energy. E stands for energy and delta E stands for the change of energy. Let's take it by one example and we will understand this. So you have the one stone or the on top of the mountain. So at this point you have the potential energy, say for example 10 units, and you have the kinetic energy is 0 units. So when this stone come down into the lower position, it possesses the kinetic energy 10 units and the potential energy is 0 units. So we are basically interested into the change of energy. What is the change of energy? So this is it, and this leads to the conservation of energy, the law of conservation of energy, which says that energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It means you cannot create the energy or you cannot destroy the energy. So it is the hard concept is the conservation of law of energy, which is the hard concept for the thermodynamics. Though there are several laws and cycles and all these stuffs, but we will see it later on. But the basement or the fundamental provided by the conservation of energy. So this is it. I hope you guys like the videos, and thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. See ya.